guys, so we have a big breaking news coming out. It seems like Japan is sounding the alarm on this one here. A monstrous volcano. They just put out this AI generated eruption of Mount Fuji to prepare Tokyo for worst case scenario. I mean, yikes. There's a possibility they know something. They're putting out this warning. Alright, let me show you something else here. This is what they put out too. Japanese Gov used an AI video to show how Mount Fuji eruption would disrupt life in Tokyo. So they are urging everyone out there, prepare for worst case scenario. That is a monstrous eruption there. That would definitely all those regions there. This is like Pompeii stuff here. All right, so we're gonna see what's going on in this one, guys. I just posted a video not too long ago about Japan volcano erupted. It wasn't a monster volcano, but it did erupt, and they're urging the population out there to stay vigilant. And there was also an earthquake in Russia and Alaska. So we're going to see what's going on with this one here, guys. Before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, we do have the Cash App link and the PayPal link in the comments box and also description box. Thank you again for your support. Guys, I can't play this video here because it's Associated Press copyright stuff. They have the trademark and stuff, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But AI generated, they're sending a message. They definitely sending a message here. I mean, just imagine the US Gov sends us an AI image of Yellowstone blowing. What's the point of sending that video to us? Are you guys trying to tell us something? Situated only about 60 miles southwest of Tokyo, Mount Fuji is an important tourist attraction for Japan. The popular landmark is also an active volcano, not to be confused with dormant volcanoes. So it could erupt at any moment. Most visitors and even Tokyo residents might not actively worry about eruption risk, considering that Mount Fuji last erupted in 1707. But the Japanese Gov will like Tokyo residents to be prepared for such an event, which could have devastating effects on daily life in the capital. So the Gov used AI to create an informational video that shows how a Mount Fuji eruption would disrupt life in Tokyo within hours, warning citizens in the capital to be prepared for the emergency. Obviously, they know something. Ever since that 8.8 magnitude earthquake in the eastern part of Russia, Kamchatka, something like that. Ever since there was that monstrous earthquake, it triggered multiple volcanoes, and it's a possibility this one here is probably waking up. It says here the last time Mount Fuji erupted, the event lasted about 2 weeks, according to the AI video. So depending on weather, the wind direction, and the power of the eruption, volcanic ash might reach the city in 1 to 2 hours. Residents might receive warnings on their phones about the eruption, and they might see the ash in the sky. But that might not be enough to give them time for last-minute preparation. Here's the thing, guys. You cannot prepare for something. I mean, you can spiritually by accepting Jesus as Lord and Savior. That's the only way being saved. But if you want to be saved right in front of that monstrous volcano, yeah. If you're close to that thing and that thing blows, you can't grab your go bag and just get in a car and just, again, this is not the movie 2012. In 20 again, that's a movie. You know, reality, everybody will be out in seconds. That volcano blast will completely dry up the fluids of your body and stuff like that. Just like Pompeii, those people were in front of it. There was no way, absolutely no way, outrunning a monstrous volcano. It just, there's no way. I know this a scene in the movie Pompeii is that, that one guy, again, everybody was running. He was just standing there. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna stand here and I'm gonna face this volcano. And he put his fists up and just stare at the volcano, and he just literally turned into stone. So, which is a very good movie, Pompeii. Um, and again, like I said, I'm not trying to spook no one here, but these volcanoes are the real deal. Okay, so it says here some of the visuals in the video the Gov released, seen in the image above and in the clip video, are stunning, showing what a powerful eruption might look like. The Gov discloses from the start of the clip that it used generative AI to give viewers a depiction of how volcanic ash will impact life in Tokyo. Now, guys, again, I truly apologize, but I can't play the video. I'm getting hit really hard with some of this copyright stuff, and again, this is why I tell many of you that your support truly helps out. It's what keeps us on air. But when I play videos like this or other videos, the next day I get hit with copyright. So all these information will be in the description box. Give me a second here, guys. All right, so here we go. So the AI clip explained that volcanic ash is made up of fine, jagged particles, but it poses warning and safety risk that Tokyo residents need to be aware of. Once again, you have expert, the health-wise volcanic ash could lead to eye, nose, and throat irritation. It could also impact many suffering from certain respiratory conditions, including asthma. The ash might also contaminate water supplies and water treatment plants. And also the air. Volcanic ash would also affect infrastructures in the city almost immediately. It would take a smaller layer of ash to ground airplanes and stop trains. A volcanic ash layer just over an inch, 3 centimeter, will make travel by car hazardous, making it difficult to see outside and cause cars to slip on roads. Man, that's not good. Without scenario reliable means, give me a second here, guys, of transport, many Tokyo residents will not be able to return home quickly. The AI video image what walking in a city while volcanic ash is falling will look like. Visibility will be significantly reduced, and people will be exposed to breathing in the tiny particles, which is not good for your lungs. A Mount Fuji eruption will almost immediately disrupt deliveries to grocery stores and other critical businesses. So this will impact the economy. So the ash layer could affect cell towers and power lines, which could lead to communication disruption and blackouts. Combined with heavier rainfall, ash might accumulate and drainage system, leading to blockages and overflows. Man, this volcano will literally just completely stop everything, basically. Volcanic ash accumulating on wooden buildings might make them collapse under the extra weight. Jeez. Yeah, I think it's time for people to move out of, in front of those volcanoes. You need to leave. You need to leave Dodge. Get out of there. What can people do to prepare? building a city right in front of a burning mountain. It just no. No. The AI video above makes it clear that a Mount Fuji eruption can't be predicted. It's a matter of time before the volcano will become active again. Despite the long pause since the last event, the Gov advises viewers to be prepared. That's a key word, prepared, and know what to do in case the volcano erupts. The Gov set up a website with more information. Wow, they have all those stuff ready about the Mount Fuji eruption. Also, Tokyo residents should prepare for emergency by storing food and water at home. Wow. All right, so again, this is some important stuff here, guys. A radio and medical supply should be available at home for quick access in case Mount Fuji disrupt travel and communication in the city. According to the news, the Japanese Gov also explained what could happen during a large-scale eruption. Some 1.7 billion cubic meters, that's 60 billion cubic feet of volcanic ash, will come out of the mountain. Of that, 490 million cubic meters, that's 17.3 billion cubic feet, will accumulate in and around Tokyo. An eruption could cost Japan up to $2.5 trillion in yen. That's $16.6 billion in US currency. While generative AI is advanced enough to support the creation of videos like this, you can also use AI services like ChatGPT to plan trips in and around Tokyo. All right. What are your thoughts on this, guys? I mean, it just... I didn't even watch the video. I don't know what the video is all about, but... yeah, that's... that would definitely cover the entire region with ashes and particles and lights out and trains and planes and all that will be, halted, emergency ground, planes being grounded. I mean, this thing right here will really completely shift the entire region. That is not good. And they actually played this a AI generated disaster simulation video. Everybody just looked up and watched this monster. Imagine here in the US, in Times Square, you're looking at TV and they have the subtitle message. This is the US Gov. We want to let you know that this could happen soon. Yellowstone volcano. And you're looking up, what in the world is that? You guys trying to let us know that this thing is gonna blow soon? But again, there's a reason why they're putting that video out there. There's a reason why, guys. There is a reason why. There's been a lot of volcanoes waking up, and I do believe something big just snapped in the Atlantic Ocean. Something big just snapped in a ring of fire. It's just a matter of time when things start to, again, go kaboom. And again, like I said, guys, I'm not trying to spook no one, but give me a second. So let me show you certain clips here. Okay, hopefully I don't get hit with a copyright. All right, so you got this woman. She looked up. She's like, "Wow!" All right, so and kaboom! All right, so yeah. And we've seen this one here. All right, so it seems like, wow, woo, everything is just covered. That's, ladies and gentlemen, that's the ashes, particles and stuff. The video mainly depicts what the situation would be like. Man, that right there, again, the sun is blocked. The sun is completely blocked. And in the book of Revelation, the Bible, again, when it comes to the sixth seal, I do believe that the sixth seal could be a massive volcano eruption. The sun will be blocked and the moon will not give its light. And the clouds will roll up like a scroll, and mountains will be moved from its place. I mean, that has to be some kind of massive volcanic eruption. Boom! Just everything in its path just completely gone, and mountains are moved from its place. And then just the sun is blocked, the moon is not giving its light, and many people hide in caves and mountains and tell the rocks to fall on us and hide us from the one who sits on the throne, for his wrath has come, and who can withstand it? All right, that's during the time of tribulation. I do believe volcanic eruption like Yellowstone. I do believe Yellowstone is going to be like the end time. Oh my goodness! Okay. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. In the event of widespread volcanic ash fallout, and the sun will be blocked, and the moon will not give its light. I do believe that, the Bible said there will be a great earthquake. The entire world will shake, and there's a possibility all the burning mountain will blow at the same time. Jeez. During the time of tribulation. Look at that. Guys, like I said, I'm not going to play the video, but this link will be in the description box. Again, do me a favor, share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. But boy, oh boy. Oh my. That's, see the train? Train stopped. Everything stopped. Wow. Hmm. Alright, so the rest, I'm just going to leave it in the description box. It's a 43-second video. Okay. But, yeah, you guys get the message. Japanese Gov is putting that video out there. Why? Possibly they know something, who knows. But scripture tells us mountains will be moved from its place. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time later. Peace.